we're going to use the table command to gather some data, making a for loop. So the table command needs an iterator structure. Your iterator can be whatever name you want. We'll call it I. So the table will go from 1 to 10, for example. And so I from 1 to 10, and that's as simple as that. So our data is the list. If we want to do something more complicated, we can do this, for example. Let's do a more complicated function using the same iterator. I goes from 1 to 100, for example. And then our function will involve some variables. So we'll define variables right within the table. x1 equals I, the square root of that. And then if you define variables within this, you need semicolons. x2 equals, for example, maybe I plus 3. Let's say divided by x1. So it's getting more complicated. Another semicolon. And just to keep track of things, I'll call our output variable equals x1 plus 2 times x2, and then no semicolon, so that the data is gathered in that variable. So we can plot that, for example. And now let's copy paste this, and we can do a table within a table. So capital data, just to tell the difference. And then we'll make 5 of these plots. So this, we'll call this maybe J going from 1 to 5 to make 5 different plots. And we'll copy paste our data within that. And then maybe we'll multiply J times this output variable. And then we should get 5 plots out, or 5 streams of data out. And if we plot this data, we should get our 5 plots, and my time is up.